Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Mazda CX-5 Maxx. Stock reference number 4717. This shape runs from the second month 2017 and is the current shape. There's a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left hand side. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage apart from a mould missing. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard looks like it's in good condition. And a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. Black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.